getting ready to take a pistol class this morning, but I wanted to visit with you a little bit about unloaded guns in holsters. I advise you to never ever get in the habit of putting an unloaded pistol into a holster. That is a recipe for getting yourself killed. You will probably die in what should have been a gunfight, or you'll either shoot yourself or someone else. Because being in a holster should mean something, and what it should mean is that the gun is loaded and chambered, ready to go. Without question, no exceptions. And that doesn't matter whether it's on your hip, whether it's concealed inside your waistband, if it's lying on your bench, if it's in storage in a safe, if it is staged, no matter where it is, if it's in a holster, it needs to be loaded and chambered and ready to go. Now, there are some folks that just cannot carry a chambered pistol, and okay, fine, I think that's foolish, but if that's what always happens, but then your pistol needs to be, if it's in the holster, should be loaded and ready to, I don't know, do whatever you do, take it out and chamber it and try to get back into the fight or whatever might happen there. Chamber. What some folks might do is they'll go to a class, and it requires that you walk around with your pistol in your holster unloaded. I don't go to those classes. I used to. I didn't really have a system for what condition my pistol was in, depending on how it is stored or where it's laying or something like that. But now I do. And I one time was in a class, finally, that I told the instructor, I'm sorry, I just can't put an unloaded pistol in my holster. He says, well, in this class we have to. And so I excused myself from the class. And I don't take those classes anymore. I find out ahead of time in a class if that's what's going to be required, so I know that I can't take that class. And so I advise you to do the same thing, because if you get into the habit of having an unloaded pistol in your holster, you will never know. You may think you do, but you will never know whether your pistol is ready to go, whether it is in storage in your safe, whether it's on your hip, inside your waistband, you're carrying it, it's on your bench, it doesn't matter. You will never know if it is loaded and chambered. Now, the fact is, we're supposed to, rule number one, treat all firearms as though they're loaded. People just don't. Most people, they don't have the habit, because unless you handle firearms every single day, you're never going to have that habit. No matter what, I promise you will get into the habit of handling firearms differently based on whether you think it is loaded or you think it is unloaded. So have a system, and the system is, if your pistol is in your holster, no matter where that holstered pistol is, on you, on a bench, in a safe, it is loaded and chambered and ready to go. No question about it. If you don't do this, you're going to die, or you're going to kill yourself, or you're going to get someone else killed because of your stupidity. So just don't do it.